Good afternoon, you guys. Or I'm gonna have to find another way of coming into my videos, but good afternoon. Okay, it's like 2:30. Let's see the temperature. We got some snow over the weekend, like Friday. And did we get snow yesterday? I don't even know. I ain't go outside. I didn't do nothing. But Friday, most definitely, we got a lot of snow. So the temperature today is 32 degrees. This up and down weather is crazy. But anyway, today I'm on my way to Trader Joe's. Now, I don't have a Trader Joe's in my neighborhood, so the Trader Joe's that I need to go to is like maybe about 30 minutes away, maybe. And I'm gonna stop at Sam's too. Sam's is like right down the street from Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna stop in Sam's first, and then I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. And at Trader Joe's, I'm gonna try to do like a $50 challenge, see what all I could buy for $50. Lately, I've just been looking at a lot of Trader Joe's or grocery store hauls, you know, like Costco hauls, Trader Joe's hauls, a little bit of Sam's, most definitely not Walmart because I don't normally shop at Walmart. Every blue moon I go to Walmart, but not too often. Not enough to say that I'm a loyal shopper of Walmart. No, I stopped shopping at Walmart when I was couponing, just because of the just horrible customer service, horrible. So yeah. Then of course I love Target, but this haul is gonna be all about Trader Joe's. What can I buy from Trader Joe's for $50? I don't know if y'all knew this or not, but Trader Joe's and Aldi's is actually owned by the same people. So it's almost like Trader Joe's is almost like an upscale Aldi's, and most definitely a downscale of Whole Foods, because they sell some organics. Y'all know Trader Joe's. Come on now. Y'all know about Trader Joe's. But I'm going to go in here and I'm going to see what I could buy for $50. Hopefully I don't go over. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm finna head in here in Sam's and pick this stuff up real quick, and then head to Trader Joe's. Okay, look at these good prices, y'all. End of the season sales. Costco's never have these sales, ever. No matter how much you look, they never have them. That's what we need. Yes, Sam's is the place if you're looking for like end of the season sales. Most definitely, Sam's is the place for that. End up spending more than what I wanted to spend because I got some extra items. And I also bought some pizza on the way out. Forgot napkins. But I got some of their pizza. And a drink. This is going to be my lunch. I actually like Costco's pizza better. It's the same price. Can you get it on the combo? I don't even know. But I prefer Costco's pizza over Sam's. They're both good, don't get me wrong. But I just like Costco's better. The crust tastes better to me. Something else, you know, I love the Scan and Go app. I love that app when you're shopping at Sam's and the store is jam-packed and all of the lines is, you know, is way back to the aisles. That Scan and Go app comes in clutch because you just scan your items in your cart, pay for them right there, and you out the door. You show them the little barcode thing, and then you out the door. I love that app. You know, you walk straight to the door. No waiting, no nothing. You're done. So now I'm gonna hurry up and eat this pizza. Well, I ain't gonna hurry up, but I'm ready to eat this pizza and then on to Trader Joe's. Okay. I just made it to Trader Joe's, and you probably more than likely y'all can't see that. This is the first time I'm ever going in here to record. I don't know how this is gonna work out. We gonna see how this works, because a lot, as you seen probably in that last little thing when I was in there scanning my stuff, ringing out at Sam's, the lady was in the little motorized cart little thing, and she kept on saying, some people just crazy, some people just crazy. So I'm assuming she was speaking about me because I was recording myself scanning my items. So funny. But here we go. Here we go. I'm on my way in here. My Trader Joe experience. Here we go. Very awkward. Very uncomfortable. A lot of stairs. I'm just saying. So funny and so weird. Okay, hold on. Let me load this car up. Okay. My Trader Joe's experience. Now, I've been in Trader Joe's before. Today, it was just like really, really crowded. Something I don't like. I felt like I couldn't really vlog in there like I really wanted to and really show y'all what I was buying. Because that store is little, and I just felt like everybody was going to be in the shot, everybody's staring at me. So that's the reason why I really didn't vlog as much, and I really wanted to vlog a little bit more, but I got what I got. I did go over. Did he give me a receipt? Oh, he put it in the bag. Okay. He didn't even tell me he was putting it in the bag. He just threw it in. I guess he was, well, whatever. I went over by $4. And if I wouldn't have bought some of that facial stuff, I probably would have been under. Trader Joe's, to me, I don't think they have a lot of items that I need. Or, now, I don't know. I bought some of this little fried rice stuff that a lot of people say is good. If it's good, then yeah, I might, when we out here at this Sam's, I might come back in and buy stuff like that. But as far as do I have to come to Trader Joe's? I don't think I'm missing anything at Trader Joe's. I really don't. I don't like the fact that it's a small store. I don't like that it's crowded as hell in there. I don't like that. No one said anything to me about vlogging, so that's a plus. Most definitely people was looking and staring. For as the prices, I think the prices is kind of reasonable. I don't think they have like coupons or accept coupons or anything like that, but I don't necessarily have to shop at Trader Joe's unless these items is good. You know, we gonna see. If they ain't all that, then I'm not missing nothing. I can stick to the stores that I'm going to. But don't get me wrong, if they open up one in my area, I most definitely will shop there. Let me turn these things off. Yes, if I get one in my area, yeah, I'll shop there. But as far as coming way over here 30 minutes away, it's not worth it for me. It's not worth it. So that's my take on Trader Joe's. And no, this isn't my first time shopping here. I shopped at Trader Joe's a couple of times, but most of the time that I come here, I only get those. They got this little wrap that I really like. It's like a turkey, some kind of turkey wrap. It's really good. Now, that's about it. So now I'm gonna head back home and then probably edit some videos. So don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.